Okay guys, so this is how my new space turned out. So I am in my basement and the lighting is not the greatest, so forgive me if I do run across some dark areas. So guys, if you remember, this desk is what started everything. So I shared with you guys how to mix your own chalk paint, and I have to say I am still impressed with the finished product. And this is the finished hutch that I added to the top of the desk. So here on top of the desk, I wanted to go for a little bit more of a dramatic display, so I added an urn. And I have been collecting urns from thrift stores for quite some time, and so I decided to pull out this really large one and place it on top of the hutch just to give a little drama and height to this space. Now this clock was on its way to Goodwill, but I decided to give it another try. So in this space, I will use this to edit some of my videos, come down here, chill in the morning, read a book, a magazine, or whatever. This will be another hangout space for me. And I like it down here because it's in the basement. It's away from the family if I need some private time. And so since this is an area for me, I thought I would surround myself with things that I enjoy seeing. I had put this artwork away, but I decided to pull it out for this refresh. So this area here is where I used to sit and edit my videos, but now that I have my desk area finished, I thought I would set up a little table for two, and I thought this would be a very nice and inviting space to come down for morning coffee. If you guys are wondering, the dinnerware and the charger and the napkin are all from Hobby Lobby. Some of you guys may remember they are from last season. And someone had asked about those candlesticks once before, and I got those from the Goodwill, believe it or not. And this is also where I used to do my hauls. And I will continue to do my hauls here because I have been banned from the pool table. I'll share that area with you in a minute. I also thought I would add a little spring to the back of the chair. Okay, so this is the pool table. And this little area here, I just set up a couple chairs, and you may recognize the little blue cabinet between the two chairs. I thought it would look very nice over in this area. And then I just placed a picture that I wasn't using and a pair of mirrors on either side of the picture. Now the pool table is covered up because it's red and it doesn't necessarily go with my decor. And my husband feels good that it's covered because I won't get it messed up with some of my decor. So guys, I hope you enjoy seeing my new refresh in my new hangout room. And I have to say, all of this decor was in storage. Except for the large pieces. Of course, the desk and the hutch was here. The table and the pool table was already here. I just brought in some other things to this space just to warm it up and give it a little life. And so this space right here is one of the first spaces that I have refreshed with the lighter paint color. So thank you so much for watching, And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend.